If you have chosen WooCommerce, in this lesson is for you. We are going to walk through the entire process of setting up WordPress and installing WooCommerce. This is a practical step-by-step guide, so follow along. First, you will need a domain name. That's your website address, like your store.co.za. We'll show you where to register one. Then you will need web hosting. We'll briefly explain cPanel, which is your hosting control panel, and how to install WordPress with just a few clicks. Once WordPress is installed, we'll log into your WordPress dashboard. From there, we'll navigate to the plugins section. Search for WooCommerce, install it, and activate it. WooCommerce is a fantastic setup wizard that will guide you through the initial store details, like your location, currency, product types. We'll go through each and every step one. By the end of this lesson, you will have a fresh WordPress installation with WooCommerce ready to go. It might seem like a lot of steps, but trust me, it's straightforward when you follow along. Let's get started.